Hello guys, good evening. And just look at her, look at Lonnie. Until now, it's still raining here in the Philippines. More than 1 week now. Today here, it's Monday, but it's still raining here. My God. So, a lot here in the Philippines already. Some areas of Manila flooding, especially outside of Manila. I hope guys, please always safe and monitor the water in your places. And then now guys, cause I get bored and I got old bread here. I'm gonna make a bread pudding, and I got condensed milk. No, sorry, this is evaporated milk. Yeah. This is the baking soda. And I use 3 eggs. And guys, 1 cup of sugar, and then until gonna get smooth this. Don't stop until gonna get smooth. This is the consistency of my. Vanilla. Put butter like 1/4.
Nakalat. Yung ginagawa namin puro paper, pati pati
Ayaw mo mag-fit.
ay naman, I don't mind. Ang dami, ingay.
Daming market. This is my my bread pudding. Hi guys. Guys, this is my final pudding. My bread pudding.